about the magic that causes day and night? Imagine what it would be like if we had only day and no night, or only night and no day. In this lesson, you will learn about rotation and how the rotation of Earth causes day and night. Have you seen anyone spinning a ball at the tip of their finger? Like this? We can say that the ball is rotating. Rotation means when anything spins around at a same point, or the fan that is spinning around a fixed point, isn't it? Similarly, our Earth also spins around a fixed line, that is axis, all the time. And this movement of the Earth is known as rotation. Let's look at this image. The line marked with red is the imaginary line, that is axis, that passes through the center of the Earth and around which the Earth rotates. Let's rotate like our Earth. Put a finger on your head and think that an imaginary line is passing through the center of your body, and then rotate on your own axis in this way. It is a rotation. But how does the rotation of the Earth help? The position of the Sun is fixed. When the Earth rotates, the portion of it that is towards the Sun receives sunlight, while the other portion remains dark. The portion that receives sunlight is day, and the portion which doesn't receive light is night. Let's understand this with the help of this globe and this torch. The globe is the Earth that rotates and the torch is the Sun. So, the portion on which the sunlight is falling is day, and the other portion that is dark is night. Did you know the Earth completes one rotation in 24 hours? That is why a day has 24 hours. Isn't it interesting? Now, why don't you look around and find out a few objects that rotate like our Earth? I'm sure you will find a few. Remember, you are awesome.